Hi from the National Football Museum. This February half-term, we're hosting lots of talks, storytelling and craft activities to keep you entertained at home. My name is Rosanna.
And I'm Billy. We are the artists in residence for the museum's Lily Parr History Makers project.
At the National Football Museum, we have made Lily Parr our 20th century history maker.
Lily Parr is one of the game's most inspirational players, and later this year we will be opening a gallery dedicated to her life and career, as well as telling the stories of the many pioneering women she played alongside. We can't wait for you to come and see it.
As part of the project, we have created an exclusive illustration of Lily Parr's timeline, so you can see the amazing legacy she has left behind. Our project is called Lily Parr Made Space, because she persisted at a time of adversity and she made space for so many young girls and women to play football today.
So we would love it if you could get involved with our project and design your own football timelines inspired by this one. On your timeline, you can either add your own footballing experiences and what your future goals are, or you could use another footballer that you know.
And to give you a good idea of how each might look, I will be creating my own timeline as well as making one for Rachel Yankee. Click the link in the description to see the final examples. You can pause the video now and think about which you would like to do.
Let's get started. You will need 2 pieces of A4 paper, coloured pencils or pens, including a black pen, 2 different coloured paints and a paintbrush or sponge, sellotape, blue tack if you have some, and your football boots.
But don't worry if you don't have football boots to hand. You can use a paintbrush or even your fingers to paint with.
To give you some inspiration to decorate your timelines, I have designed these illustrations and little icons. You can click on the link in the description so you can see them as you go.
Step 1. Tape the 2 pieces of paper together to make a banner. Step 2. If you have blue tack, stick the banner to the table so it doesn't move. Step 3. Draw a goal at either end of the paper, one with your birth year and the other with your goals or aspirations. In the centre, you can mark the present day by writing today's activity. Step 4. Draw a wavy line, possibly dotted like I have done, to connect the 2 goals. Step 5. Take 1 football boot and use one of the colours to paint onto the studs. Then print the boot along the timeline. Next, take the other boot and use the other colour to print over the top, creating a cool footprint effect. Step 6. Make sure you add the title and your name. Step 7. In the first half of the timeline, write down your football highlights so far. This could be teams you have played for or a memory of a match in the snow. Step 8. In the second half, you can write down what you wish to achieve in the future, with football or in life in general. I wrote that I hope to continue making art about football and inspiring others. Step 9. Now you can add drawings inspired by Billy's icons to decorate your timeline. The final step is to take a photo and post it on social media, making sure to tag us so we can see your amazing work.
Alternatively, you could create a timeline of another footballer.
We chose Rachel Yankee because she was a huge inspiration to me growing up, and she has achieved so much over her career.
Before Yankee started playing for a girls' team, she had to disguise herself as a boy to play in her local park. She had natural talent, and after playing with Arsenal women for 4 years, she signed for Fulham when she was 20, becoming the first professional female footballer registered in the UK. She won many trophies over her career, as well as 129 caps for England. Yankee has been awarded an OBE and MBE for services to football as she has worked in schools and coached kids, even starting up her own grassroots team. Lily Parr made space for Rachel Yankee. As Yankee continued Parr's legacy of inspiring a generation, she said, "If I help someone to play football, then I am happy." You could have a go at creating Rachel Yankee's timeline or another footballer of your choice, maybe even a friend.
Either before or after you have added the timeline facts, you can paint on the stud prints or fingerprints to add colour and movement to your artwork. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see how you get on. Make sure you tag us in your social media posts. You can find more stay-at-home craft activities at nationalfootballmuseum.com and on our YouTube channel.
Look out for more workshops from us and the Lily Parr exhibition opening later this year. Bye for now.